Mom and Dad. It's Jody. Just wanted to show you that we're having lots of lots of snow this morning. Probably got about 4 to 6 inches, but it's big stuff for us. It snowed all last night, and it's a real, real fluffy. But I guess it is kind of a heavy snow too, because all the trees are way down. But this is probably our fifth snow of the year. And you got to see little Taroke jumping around there. Oops. Love you guys. Hey, Mom and Dad. Here we are out in our big December 26th snowstorm. Tim's making a snowman, looks like. And Taroke's out here somewhere. But right now she's down in the culvert, I think. I think we're getting more snow than South Dakota's getting this year. Love you guys. It's a big one.